So in this tutorial, I want to show you how to create links to each of the sheets inside of your spreadsheet. So I may interchange the terms tabs or sheets because when we're talking about the different sheets in our spreadsheet, as you can see, I have many of them in here and they all look like tabs. So you can click on the tab to go to the sheet. So don't mind if I interchange those. But anyways, I want to show you how you can create a mini little menu sidebar where you can make it super easy for your customers to navigate, especially if you have a ton of tabs within your spreadsheet or different sheets within your spreadsheet. You'll want to create this to make the user experience very seamless. So as you can see right here, I have my sections. If I click on the dashboard one and I click on the dashboard, it automatically takes me to that specific tab. And that's what we're going to create. And it's super easy to do. So what you want to do first is to create your little sidebar menu wherever you want to put it. I usually put it on the left side of my planner, and I'll just create a header and then I'll create little areas. So you can make it as small, as big as you want, design it however you like, but I'm going to show you how to easily connect our tabs to it. So we're going to start with writing our names in the blank, our tab names in the blank area here. So I'm going to do dashboard here. So just make sure you double click in. There we go. Dashboard. Next one, I'm going to put in my gift list. Then I'm going to put in for the next one, stockings. And then cards. So as you can tell, this is a Christmas planner. And then in the next one, we're just going to do shopping list. I'm not going to do the entire thing because I don't want to make you stay here longer than you need to. But as you can see, I have a lot of different tabs in here. So I would make a button essentially for every single tab that I have on here. So every single sheet. Now that you've written in the names of your buttons, let's just call them buttons, it makes it easier. You're going to select this first cell. So where it says dashboard, I'm just going to right click, insert link. And what happens is Google Sheets is pretty smart. It will already pull up one of the sheets up here. So as you can see with this icon, it just means this is the sheet for dashboard. If you don't see your specific one up there, you could always just go to sheets and named ranges, and then you'll see all the different tabs that I have here for my spreadsheet. So I'm just going to select the correct one, so dashboard, and there you go. So now I'm going to go to my next one, right click, insert link, and again, it's already pulled up some of the different options here. I'm just going to click on the correct one. There you go. Now I'm going to right click on the next one, insert link, and then that one was for stockings. Next one we're going to do for cards. And as you can see, Google Sheets is pretty smart. It's going to pull up the correct one. But again, if you can't find the correct one, sometimes it does happen, then we can always just go to sheets and named ranges and look for the correct one there. So I actually accidentally put the wrong one in there. So if you accidentally put the wrong one in there, all you need to do is select it. And when this pops up, click remove. And now you can add in the correct link by going to insert link and then look for the correct one. There you go, shopping list. So now if I want to go to my dashboard, I just click on it and then click on the link that pops up, and there you go. So it's very easy to access all the different areas of your spreadsheet. So if you have a really big spreadsheet with a lot of different sheets in it, or a lot of different tabs, this makes it so easy for your customers to navigate. So I would have this menu bar on each of my pages. So then that way they don't have to scroll here and be like, okay, which tab is it? They can easily be like, okay, I need to go to the stockings. So they're going to click on stockings and hop over there. So that's how you do it. Super easy. Take your time. But yeah, if you enjoyed this video, please subscribe to my YouTube channel because I do share a weekly video on here. As well, if you liked the tutorials like this, I do have a low-cost membership called the Wild Hearts Sheets Library, where I have a collection of all tutorials, really cool things that you could do with your spreadsheets, stuff I don't share, they're more advanced that I don't share on YouTube. So if you're interested in that, you could check that out. So it comes with a library of tutorials. I do take requests. So if you want to learn something specific, let me know and make a video for it. We also do monthly live challenges, and then it's a really supportive group as well. So if you want to hang out with a lot of lovely spreadsheet creators, we're all in there hanging out, making some awesome spreadsheets. So I do hope you join, but otherwise, feel free to subscribe to my channel because I'd love to have you here watching some more tutorials. Thank you so much, and I'll catch you later. Bye.